Once again, welcome to my practical hands-on labs. And today I'm going to take you through how to calculate mean, median, and mode in the course data analysis in Excel. Calculating the mean, a hands-on practical session. Now, immediately you get a set of data sets, you must be able to derive certain basic facts like the mean, median, and mode. And to calculate the mean, the first thing you could do, just based on the data set, you select a certain cell. In this case, I've selected D2, and you type the internally built function average for Excel, and you select the data range. The data range is from A2 to A12, and you close the parentheses, and then you press enter. Excel automatically calculates for you the value that is a representation of the mean for values in your data set. The next, you're going to calculate the median. Once again, select a specific cell, in this case D4, and type the word median, an internally built function within Excel, and open the parentheses. Select the data range, close the parentheses, press enter, and Excel gives you the representation of the median, actually the actual median. So median is the value that appears right at the center of a given data set after sorting the data set in ascending order. So this can be validated by selecting the values A2 to A12. From within Excel sheet, sort your data set and identify the median. You'll realize that it's actually 29. The next would be calculating the mode. For the mode, once again, select a specific cell, in this case D6, and type in mode, =sign mode, which is an internally built function within Excel that is going to give you the mode. But there are two possible answers, mode singular value and mode multiple values. For mode singular value, what this means is there is only one unique value that is common in the data set. It appears most frequently. And mode multiple values, it means there is a tie. More than one value is repeated. So you could look at the data set, 27 is repeated twice, 28 is repeated twice, and 29 is repeated three times. So if we remove one value for 29 and give it, say, 39, we will have three numbers being repeated twice. So in this case, you use mode multi. For you to display all the three, you select three cells and select the values and press Control Shift and enter. It will give you the three values that repeat so many times. Thank you very much. The next hands-on practical lab is going to be how to identify relationships using scatterplot. And if you want to get notified immediately I upload any of the hands-on practical labs, please remember to subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.